Welcome. I'm going to show you how to create a knowledge graph in the duohub app. Let's start on the memory screen where I'll create a new graph and give it a name. Then, let's add some content from our library. I'll choose the Leonard Euler article from Wikipedia, which has already been processed, as you can see from the 3 white dots. Hit next to progress and select your ontology. The default ontology is fine for most Wikipedia and news articles, but you can also ask us to create an ontology for you. You should use a custom ontology if you are creating a graph for your business domain, as this will make it much more accurate. Hit next to progress. Your ingestion job has started now. This usually takes a few minutes, and you can leave the page and come back safely. Once the graph has been created, it should automatically progress to the next step. And it's done. Now we can see our graph preview. This allows you to explore the graph, viewing the different nodes and relationships in your memory store. You can zoom in and out, or click the mouse and hold, then drag to move the graph around. When you hover over the nodes, you should be able to preview their names and descriptions. To view the graph in full screen mode, click the full screen button. This can be useful if you need to present the graph, or if the graph is large and you want to explore it fully. To use the graph, click the Copy Memory ID button on the top menu bar. You'll use this ID to query the graph. This button is also available on the memory home screen. Now you can either query the graph using our API or the Python client. If you want to test it in a voice bot, you can do so by creating a voice bot in the studio. Just click the Memory tab, then the plus button, and select the graph you want to use as memory. Now you can call the bot and see how it will respond before you start integrating the memory with your bots in production. It's as easy as that. Follow these steps to create, test, and ship your first knowledge graph on the duohub app.